The Build a Website in 1 Hour Challenge is a thrilling test for aspiring web developers. It pushes you to combine creativity and technical prowess under a tight deadline. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your vision come to life on the screen, all within the span of a single hour. This challenge is about pushing your limits and discovering efficient web development. Whether you're a novice or experienced, the 1 Hour Challenge offers valuable learning. It forces you to prioritize, make quick decisions, and focus on core elements. The time constraint encourages you to streamline your workflow and develop web design principles. Embrace the challenge and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Each error is an opportunity to learn and improve. The true reward lies in the journey and the satisfaction of creating something from scratch. So set your timer, gather your coding tools, and get ready to embark on an exciting web development adventure. The skills you hone during this challenge will undoubtedly prove invaluable as you progress in your web development journey. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is paramount, especially for creatives and professionals. Your portfolio is your virtual storefront, offering a curated glimpse into your skills, experience, and creative vision. A well-designed portfolio website can be the key to unlocking new opportunities, attracting potential clients, and making your mark in the competitive online world. For this challenge, we'll focus on building a portfolio website. It's a versatile theme applicable to various professions, from graphic designers and writers to photographers and web developers. Your portfolio is an opportunity to showcase your best work, highlight your unique skills, and tell your professional story in a visually compelling way. Through carefully selected projects, testimonials, and a well-crafted About section, you can create a lasting impression on potential employers or clients. Remember, your portfolio is not just a static display of your work. It's a dynamic platform for showcasing your evolution as a professional. Keep it concise, visually appealing, and easy to navigate. Let your work speak for itself, and provide just enough context to guide visitors through your achievements and aspirations. Before we dive into the step-by-step process, let's familiarize ourselves with the fundamental tools of web development: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These three languages work in harmony to create the websites we interact with daily. Think of HTML as the foundation of your website, providing the basic structure and content. CSS acts as the interior designer, adding style, visual appeal, and layout to the HTML elements. Finally, JavaScript injects interactivity and dynamic behavior into your website, making it more engaging and user-friendly. HTML, or hypertext markup language, is the backbone of every web page. It provides the structure and content using elements like headings, paragraphs, images, and links. CSS, or cascading style sheets, is the language of aesthetics. It dictates how your website looks, controlling colors, fonts, spacing, and layout. JavaScript is the spice of interactivity. It adds dynamic elements, animations, and user interactions to your website. Don't be intimidated by these languages. They're easier to grasp than you might think. With a basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and a sprinkle of JavaScript, you'll be well on your way to building your own stunning website. Section 4. Building your portfolio. A step-by-step guide. Now let's break down the website building process into manageable steps. Remember, the key is to focus on the essentials and work efficiently within the time constraint. First, set up your workspace. Open your preferred code editor and create 3 files, and these files will house your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code respectively. Next, structure your HTML. Start with the basic HTML structure. Include elements for your header, navigation, about section, portfolio grid, and footer. Then, add content. Populate your HTML with your name, a brief introduction, project descriptions, and contact information. Remember to use semantic HTML elements for better organization and accessibility. After that, style with CSS. Add styles to your HTML elements. Choose a visually appealing color scheme, select appropriate fonts, and define the layout of your portfolio grid. Finally, enhance with JavaScript, if time permits. You could create a simple image carousel for your projects or implement a smooth scrolling effect for navigation. Remember to link your CSS file to your HTML using the tag and your JavaScript file using the tag. Section 5. Ensuring responsiveness, reaching every screen. In today's mobile-first world, ensuring your website looks great on all devices is crucial. Responsive web design adapts websites to different screen sizes using flexible layouts and CSS media queries. Use flexible grids, percentages, and media queries to ensure scalability and optimal viewing. By incorporating these techniques, your portfolio will be accessible and visually appealing on any device. Remember, building a website, even in an hour, is an accomplishment. Focus on learning and enjoying the process. Set your timer, embrace the challenge, and unleash your creativity.